Hello my friends, we are going to make tutorials about Unity. The Unity is a popular and powerful game engine for making 2D and 3D games, and you can export to a lot of platforms like iOS, Android, PlayStation, Xbox, Windows, and other. As you can see, the Unity is a commercial software. You have to buy that or purchase that. But the Unity technology allows us to make tutorials about their software with a free personal version of the Unity. And I have to mention that I'm not Unity employee, and I haven't any commercial official connection with Unity technology. I'm completely free and I make tutorial by myself. So thank you from Unity that allow us to make tutorial about their software with free version. But if you need more advanced feature, you can buy Plus, Pro, Enterprise software. Here you can compare the plans and you can choose your software to work with. Okay, this is great turning course of Unity. Stay tuned with us. Subscribe and like our videos to continue our way. Thank you very much.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.